As you know, only a few websites let you use Seedance 2.0 right now. I already shared 3 working sites before. But today I found a new way to use it, so watch closely. Subscribe now to stay updated. More websites are coming soon. Don't miss out! First, open YouArt.ai in your browser. You don't need a VPN. Create your account and log in. If you use my link, you'll also get some extra benefits. On the left side, tap Projects and create a new workflow. This will open the workspace. Now tap Video Models. You will see many video tools here, but Seedance 2.0 is not visible for normal users. So the question is, how do you unlock it? I'll show you that in a minute. Stay with me. When you select Seedance 2.0, this box will open. Here you write your prompt. Choose the aspect ratio, select the video length, and then press Run to create your video. If you want to create a video from an image, tap the plus button on the left. You'll see a menu with upload options. Choose Upload and then select Image Loader. A small box will appear. Click inside it and upload your image. Now, create a video model node for Seedance 2.0. Now drag the small circle from the image box into the Seedance box. Your image will show up in the Frames section. This becomes your start frame. Now enter your prompt and tap on Generate button. To add an end frame, do the same thing again. Tap the plus button, upload another image, connect it to Seedance. The first image becomes start and the second becomes end. If you want to remove a node, right-click it and tap delete. Simple. If you don't already have your images, you can create them inside YouArt. Tap the plus button, Draw Image Models. I'm choosing Nano Banana, but you can pick any model. You can also use Nano Banana Pro for free. I explained that in the previous video. I share all this information on Telegram first, so if you haven't joined yet, check the link in the description. Now let's talk about the part you're waiting for. How to unlock Seedance 2.0 inside YouArt. Go back to the home page and click Seedance 2.0 Early Access. A Google form will open. Submit the form. They will send access to your email within 24 hours. That's it. If you want me to test your prompts on Seedance 2.0, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.